The following segment is sponsored by the Regional Water Providers Consortium.
First-time homeowners can have a lot to navigate in their new house, especially if they're trying to save energy and water. KATU meteorologist Mary Lose was in Tigard today to get some tips on managing and maintaining your sprinkler system to benefit your wallet.
We love the house, but there's a lot of grass and a lot of plants and a lot of maintenance.
Amy Mayo decided she'd find an expert to help her learn more about the sprinkler system in her new yard. Kevin McCaleb is a water conservation specialist and says taking a look at your water meter is the first step.
And in your case, it's stock still, so that tells me that everything from this meter into your house and out to your irrigation system is tight.
But Amy has discovered she needs to replace some broken sprinkler heads. Now she needs to decide what kind of sprinkler is best for her yard and saving water.
So the pop-up sprays, used properly, proper pressure, proper spacing, they're pretty good. If you change them out to the multi-stream rotator, they're even better.
If adjusting the schedule, repairing and maintaining the system are not for you, hire someone to do the work. But that also comes with a bit of advice.
Getting hired and certified licensed contractor is a very important thing to do.
It can save you a lot of headaches, money, and water in the long run. In Tigard, Mary Lose, KATU News.
Well, the Regional Water Providers Consortium has more tips on saving water around your house. To find them, head to our website, KATU.com, and look for this story.
A brand new building.